Deep inside the forest, there's a door into another land. Here is our life and home. Living free in harmony and majesty, all alone. Folks, I am surrounded 360 degrees by nature right now. And there is nothing in this world that's compared to it. It's better than being behind a computer all day. It's better than taking your weekend and just watching TV. Who wouldn't want all of this? Hiking, camping, fishing, kayaking. Step out in nature, folks. It's a world away from another world. One that we're so used to. It's waiting for you. Enjoy it.